Another beauty we recently got in is a Fiat 124 Spider. It's pretty low miles. Freaking nice little car. Freaking clean, wasn't running, sat for who knows how many years in the guy's garage. Wanted to get it running, and I mean, minty. It even still smells good. But see, let's pop the hood here. Went through and new plug wires, gave it a fresh cleaning, lots of little goodies. Going to be putting a water pump, new water pump and timing belt on it. Get this thing ready, 100% ready for the road. But yeah, it's a little older than what we typically work on here, but not too bad overall. This is actually a nice little car.